Algorithms are a process or set of rules to be followed. In computers, there is an input and an expected output. One way to think of it simply is a recipe. When we are learning to cook something, there are steps that we follow that will give us a certain outcome. In an article exploring the ordinary effects of Facebook algorithms, research was done to examine people's response to algorithms. It found that when users click consciously, disrupt their liking practices, or only post on weeknights, these movements or reactions are not just affected by the algorithm. These practices also have the ability to affect the algorithms that help generate these responses in the first place. While algorithms certainly do things to people, people also do things to algorithms. There is a social power of algorithms, particularly in the context of machine learning. Algorithms are made by explaining to a computer software what to do when given certain situations. It helps the computer solve problems and teach it how to give the right solutions. Problem solving can be done in different ways, including counting, searching, sorting, and machine learning. There are politics and ethics involved in algorithms. As they continue to evolve, it is crucial to understand what the data we give computers represents and what the outcomes and goals are. Ada Lovelace was the first computer programmer that wrote more than just calculations. Alan Turing, Katherine Johnson, and Margaret Hamilton were other mathematicians that played crucial roles in the very beginning development. The role of algorithms in computers is constantly changing and evolving. The way we control and manage computer systems affects many parts of our daily life, including commerce, communication, and entertainment. We use them in problem solving, data analysis, and decision making. One example of algorithms at work are users' Instagram search page and Twitter. In our week's required reading, we learned Twitter's trending topics is affected by its design. Users are provided a public, real-time feed of accounts they follow, lending the platform more to unfiltered, unbreaking news that is organized into geographic regions. This is in contrast to the algorithm used by Facebook, For their trending page is determined by personal preferences and what topics are spiking in the system relative to normal. This shows that the algorithm impacts the way people will experience the news they take in. In the end, algorithms control our feed on social media and many more aspects of our digital experiences. It is important to monitor and take into account how people act and react to them to further develop them in positive ways.